Hello guys, how you doing? Okay, this is something I want to share with you guys as much as I could because I think that this is very important. Did you know that you can convert your old laptop into a fully working system for Android operating system? So it can your Windows old laptop or your Mac old laptop, whatever laptop you want, you can convert it using a USB or using whatever you want to do to an Android operating system. Did you know that? You can convert your entire system into an Android TV. Not the Android that is on your phone, no. There's two separate different Android. Android TV. Now, the Android TV, you can put it on side on your old laptop. And if you do that, basically you can watch, you can do whatever you want to do on your normal sticks. So instead of getting a stick, you can use a Windows machine and it will be perfect. Right. Now, if you guys want the steps to do this, just subscribe to my channel. I will actually show you this. I'm going to do it today. I've already ordered my USB stick. What I'm going to do, as soon as my USB stick comes in, I'm going to do the hell out of this thing. I'm going to convert one of my old laptops into an Android TV, and that way you can do whatever you want to do inside your TV. It's really cool. It was very nice. So I think it's a good idea. What do you think? What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And do you want to watch part 2 of this video of how I want to do this? Okay, guys. See you later.